Number 1.
Nurse. Teacher.
Number 2. You say the number also.
Teacher.
Number 2.
Teacher.
Put number 2 Duay. Number 2.
Number 2, teacher.
Okay.
Number 3,
Firefighter.
fighter. 4. Number 4, doctor.
Very good.
Number 5, milk carrier.
Mail carrier.
Milk carrier.
Okay.
Number 6, bus
Driver.
driver. Number 7, crossing
guard. Again, please. Number 7. Again, number 7.
crossing guard. Number 8, police officer.